So good morning, people. Welcome everyone to our channel, Wayfarianfx. Well, today we are going to discuss about gold. Of course, that's what we do every day. Let's understand today with the fundamentals as well. And coming in from yesterday video, uh, I did share that yes, the market, though it is into the bullish trend, there is a possibility that it might just come down, and that is what exactly happened yesterday itself, which you can cross check with my previous videos too. So first things first is today I will be discussing about the levels again of today daily levels as to where the market can go, where can you set your first take profit, second take profit, and what are the important aspects in terms of fundamentals that we have to focus on. Now, apart from that, I would request you to kindly stay with me till the end, and also please like, subscribe, and share the channel as much as you can. All right, because that is going to help me a lot, and I would require that support from you. Thank you so much once again for that. Well, otherwise, let me just tell you briefly before I start, is this particular concept, this particular channel, we are dedicated towards what we do in life, in real, of how we travel around the world, and we still earn through the work of Forex, and that's one of the reasons why we have made it possible, and we would like to give this opportunity to all of them who would like to join. And I have also put in the link onto if you can check with the channel, I put in the link as well. You can register yourself for free and we can discuss more about it, but this is going to be an earning opportunity for each and everybody, not just with trading, but as a business opportunity to travel as well around the world, almost for free. All right, so let's get back. Like I said, today, let's understand, being November 26th, we have got Tuesday. There are important news today, so that means that today the market can be fluctuated due to the fundamental aspects, and will be certainly, right, because we have got important news coming in for the consumer confidence at 7 o'clock in the evening, as per your standard time, whichever country you are into, right? So we have to make a note of that. Apart from that, I see that in terms of the war news, it's just the same things that are going in, but I see there is some involvement coming in from the UK as well. All right, and France has also started speaking about the war and getting into it. This is just a sign that there are countries who are trying to get involved into the war, right? So this can be an alarming thing. However, when we see over here, now that we know that yes, today's point of discussion being 2610, 2610 to 2616 is because 2616 is where the market started, right? So ideally the point of discussion should be 2616. However, because it just retraced down a little, it just went down a little, I've made this as 2610 as the point of discussion. Okay. However, you can keep this as a range in your mind about 2610 to 2615 or 16. Okay, so you can always keep this 5 points of an average of fair value gap to buy or to sell. All right, now as you see, the market right now is at 2624, which is right, and there is a possibility. It's because the market yesterday from 27, it has come down, right? So there is a possibility that it will try to go up as well. So let's quickly understand, like you said, if this thing happens, then let's understand how this might happen. So now that we know that in case, even if it is 2610 or 26116, okay, so let's understand this. If the market doesn't cross this, okay, then it will go up from here, and this is well where we can book our first take profit at around about 2628 to 2630. I repeat, the first take profit, let it be at 2628 to 2630, and then it might just retrace back a little, and it will just go up, then you have a range of 2651. Now this range is again from 26. If you look at over here, you see this point, right? Now if you look over here, so the range will be between 2645. So you can always, just check this a little, 2645, and then it will go for 2652. Okay, so this is one thing and of course when it goes above that, we already have a line of going up to 2685 as well as the next thing going in, right? So this is one of the things that you need to remember. However, if the market goes down from here, okay, then we know that your take profit, as we have discussed it, okay, 26, now from 2600 you can go to up to 2600. You can always take your first take profit, yes, 2600, and then you have it will retrace back and will come down to 2592. Now that's another rejection line for gold, which is a very strong one. Till the time the market doesn't cross this, we cannot consider this as a selling trend. So you have to wait if it closes below that. However, you can always, if the market goes in sell, then you can take your take profit here at 2592 and then wait. And then if it goes down, then you have a bigger version of 2575. Okay, so this is today's level that I want you to understand, which is very, very important. So wherever the market, because now it is at upward style, so you can always consider buy up to 2630, right, and or 2830. Wait for the confirmation, remove your either 50% or 80% of the profit, and then wait for the confirmation back again. If it crosses, then you open and take your profit away at 2645 and 2650, right? If it goes below this level, then yes, you have a selling position open, which you can do it accordingly. All right, so this is what gold is. Now even if you look at, we are going really nice with its position, as we know that this came down. However, there has to be some correction which gold might give before the US session begins, because as soon as the US session begins, we know we have important news waiting for us. That is 7 o'clock for consumer confidence, and we would like to understand that what exactly happens now, because there is, the previous was 108 and they're expecting it to be too positive, correct, to be better. So let's see if that is or that is not. We'll just wait for it, but always understand that the entire market gets wrong with 3 sessions that we all know, right? So till the US session, you have a particular momentum. If the US session supports the movement or the fluctuation or the volatility, whichever way, the bullish or the bearish trend, then it goes either ways. So that is one of the reasons why you see a lot of commodities and a lot of currencies, they go in a particular way, whether up or down, till evening, till the time US session starts. But post that, there is either a change or else a boost to the movement, correct? So just look into that. That's all for today. And of course BTC is again going really nice, and we have already discussed in one of the videos. I will try to discuss BTC again, maybe in the weekly forecast, because BTC again is giving a very good range, so very good buying points from 94, 96 and 92 as well, which is coming in as a very good point for a buy position for the BTC Bitcoin. So well, you have a wonderful day. We will see you tomorrow. Okay, thank you so much.